Raising serious concerns over the prolonged delay in the recruitment process, RTI activists reaching Sun Siangshai on Tuesday submitted a memorandum to the Deputy Commissioner of Ejhd Dsc, who also serves as the chairman of the District Selection Committee, demanding the immediate completion of the pending recruitment exercise initiated through the October 2025 advertisement. In his representation, Siangshai highlighted that the DSC had, on the 18th of March 2026, officially informed him that the remaining stages of the recruitment process would tentatively be completed during April to May 2026. However, despite the assurance, the recruitment process has remained stalled with no further progress made till date. Terming the delay as unjustified, the RTI activist questioned why the DSC has taken more than 6 months to conclude the recruitment process. He cited the standard operating procedure issued by the state government's Personal and Administrative Reforms Department through an office memorandum dated the 18th of July 2024, which mandates that all recruiting agencies, including the DSC and the Meghalaya Public Service Commission, must complete the entire recruitment process and declare the final results within 6 months from the date of advertisement. Pointing out that the prescribed timeline has been breached, Siangshai has served a 30-day ultimatum to the DSC to complete the remaining stages of the recruitment process, warning against further administrative delays. He further urged upon the DSC to implement the resolutions adopted during a high-level meeting convened on the 27th of November 2025 to streamline and strengthen the recruitment mechanism in the district. The meeting, chaired by the Deputy Commissioner, was attended by Advocate Kerlang Su, MLA Kanmen Shila and Santa Mary Shila, MDCs, heads of educational institutions, DSC members and other stakeholders. Following the submission of the memorandum, Siangshai said the Deputy Commissioner assured him that the pending recruitment process would be initiated within the stipulated period. He also appealed to all aspiring candidates to remain prepared and expressed hope that the recruitment exercise would be concluded without further delay.
Ngalami menta ka office jong Deputy Commissioner ka Ejhd Dsc ubadai ro chairman jong ka District Selection Committee hapo ka district. To yang ngalapen kan mau but dawaya uban sedang no ya katai ka recruitment process ka bay bat ka advertisement ka bal penmi nadu ajar hosan. Pada ngala iPod ro live house ngi bakin sedang no kam kum ka jing kan mau hoi ka DSC kala penmi ya ka advertisement nadu arpun new tarik Oktober ajar hosan ha ka bay bat ka grade 3 bat grade 4 post. Adin kata pat hubungan November atau tarik ajar posan kila pun mipat ya ka corrigikan dom bakila extend but ay latang ya ki nong song jong ka district ban apply ya kini ki grade 3 by grade 4 te kumbalong menta nado benai November hado menta ka DSC kam pan sedang ya kinu ki bentala ni ki step habe dai bat ya kanika advertisement te kuman pen mauro ba ka DSC kala simlo ya ka reformation measure dak ba khot ka jingyalang kamat ki MLA harngud jong ka district bat ki MDC bat ki concerned authorities bat ki larai bakin don ka reformation process tengah pen mauro ya kata ka benta ba ban sedang ya kan recruitment process ka sorkar lani ka DSC ka dai ban kan mau ban penkrekam ka wei pakawei ka rai habai dai bat ya ka jimpen bah ya ka kom tungkam tungjam hapo ka district dah ka jing kan do menta kasni udisi ulakular ban un sedang no ya kan recruitment process hapo lapus ni kumbangala iPod but ka jing ngepla kalong ba kat kum ka office memorandum balapan mi da ka Personal and Administrative Reform Department haka kata tarik Julai aja posau kawai na kebenta ka ba kedeu haka poin bersan ba ka ong ba baro ki recruitment process lane ki step lane ka final result jong ki examination habai dai bat kino ki recruitment agencies ki dai ban pendep driu benai nado kapor kabala advertise te kumalong menta ka DSC kala pun mi ka advertisement kala pala di kan driu benai na takadang wala ipor bad kular DC kular ban un pen sedang no hapo kini ki por kumbala dawa bat ngala kerpat wo ya ki ba apply ban snaba ban long ki ba pen kre lara kalong kumakajing kular ka district selection process kan sedang nadu benai agos telong ba pen kre kit bok ruang ya pi ban pin tres tong kenang ba pin yo so ka ba biang ya kajing sisaro haka katpa tarik ngalabut memorandum ban kan mau Ejhd Dsc akan ka jok kam Henry haka jokas ni ula jubapat da ka ba pentiba ka tentative recruitment schedule lani ka benta kiban kim pendep akan ikut proses kan day hapo April bat Mei Henry haduk menta la jankur bena Julai kim pat sedang nak takadau ngam bantre ngahap mi cak office ban tukla dia kan kam ban dawaro ban sedang no kumbala dawa lengbaki memorandum